Hi, how are you? 小朋友你好嗎？今堂課我哋 learn 3 ways of pronouncing of the final ed sounds. First of all, listen carefully. I'm reading the first column. Rained, rained, turned, turned, prayed, prayed, filled, filled. Now the second column. Wanted, wanted, toasted, toasted, interested, interested, counted, counted. At last, the third column. Succeeded, succeeded, needed, needed, landed, landed, ended, ended. The 3 different ways of pronunciation are just demonstrated. Could you tell me what the rules are? Normally, when ed is added to the base form of a verb, it itself is pronounced as d. This is how the words in the first column pronounced. Listen. Rained, rained, turned, turned, prayed, prayed, filled, filled. When the ed is added to the verb in which the last letter is t, the sound of the letter t is combined with the ed and pronounced as tid. Like the words in the second column. Listen. Wanted, wanted, toasted, toasted, interested, interested, counted, counted. When the ed is added to the verb in which the last letter is d, the sound of letter d is combined with the ed and pronounced as did, like the words in the third column. Listen. Succeeded, succeeded, needed, needed, landed, landed, ended, ended. Now, let's practice. Try to pronounce the past form of verb while I say aloud the base form. Ready? Love. The past form is loved. Clean. The past form is cleaned. Decide. Decided. Bore. Bored. Interest. Interested. Smile. Smiled. Edit. Edited. This is the end of the lesson. See you.